Let's try out some products from ChiltanPure. Witch Hazel Toner from ChiltanPure. Take a clean cotton pad and apply a small amount of toner onto it. Apply it gently on all over your face and around your neck as well. This helps to refresh your skin and gives the perfect amount of hydration. Lavender powder. Here I'm taking a teaspoon of the lavender powder and mixing it with water. You can also mix it with the honey to get the perfect results. Make a good paste and then apply it on your face. Applying the mask all over my face and letting it dry for a few minutes. Leave it for 5 to 7 minutes and then wash it off. Lavender is known for its soothing and calming properties. It has also some antibacterial properties, making it great for acne-prone skin. Lastly, I'm using this lavender oil for some relaxation. The best part about this lavender oil is that it can be used on face, body and on hair as well. Taking a small amount and then doing some massage for some relaxation. You can get all these products from their website, so don't forget to shop.